Here's how to increase voice chat volume in Roblox. There are 3 different things you can try to increase the volume. First, open Roblox and click the Roblox icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings and then find the volume option. If the overall game audio is too quiet, increase the volume slider here. Keep in mind that Roblox doesn't currently provide a separate volume control specifically for voice chat. So, increasing this setting will raise the volume of the entire game, including other in-game sounds. If the game audio is generally too low, increasing the volume here should help. The second method is go to the volume icon in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. Right-click on the volume icon and select Open Volume Mixer. Scroll down to the Apps section and look for Roblox. Make sure the Roblox volume slider is turned up. If it's set too low, increase it to raise the volume coming from the game. The final method is related to Roblox's proximity-based voice chat. When you're trying to hear another player, move closer to them inside the game. The closer you are to someone who's speaking, the louder their voice will generally sound through your speakers or headphones. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.